Hi everybody, this is a sewing tutorial video that goes along with our American Girl Afternoon Doll Embroidery Stockings program. Hopefully you've already watched how to thread your needle, the line stitch or running stitch, and the cross stitch. This is the whip stitch, and this is mostly going to be used, like, let's say your stocking split and it was open, or let's say you were going to put a patch on here instead of embroidering it. You would use the whip stitch to do that because it goes from the back and it goes around the outsides and the edges. It kind of makes like a swirly, see I'm like making it with my hands. It makes that kind of pattern. So I had already had a line and the cross stitch on here, so we're just going to use the same thread and this same piece of fabric so that I'm not wasting thread. But we'll just say you're starting from the back like you have with the other ones before, because you don't want your knot to show in the front. But here's the difference with this. So we came through in the front, but instead of going back in, we're going up and over. So we're going up and over the side of what we're doing. So you're making that loopy loop around the side of the fabric, and you end up at the bottom of where you started, and then you go over the top and you put your needle back through the back. So with a whip stitch, you never put your needle back through in the front. It comes from the back every single time because you're whipping or looping over top of the fabric. And you can see why this wouldn't be great to do otherwise, because it's folding down the top, it's folding down the side. So it's a stronger stitch, but it's not so great for decoration. It's more practical. So that is how you make the whip stitch. You don't necessarily need to know how to do that for this project, but since we were in sewing mode, I thought I would show you how to do it anyway. So if you have not looked at how to end your project or end your needle, go ahead and watch that video now, and then you will be all set to go.